As we move and approach the end of our series of 15 U-Substitution integration problems, it becomes important for us to start seeing the reasons why I decide to undertake on this adventure. Now, the complexity of U-Substitution problem. When you talk about the techniques of integration, there are 4 of them. We have integration by U-Substitution, integration by polynomial method, integration by partial fraction, and integration by parts. Now, sometimes scholars or some educators might think otherwise, different from what I feel and know very well about calculus in terms of the techniques of integration. Sometimes people have this view that integration by parts is tougher or more complex than the other techniques of integration, but I beg to differ from that reasoning. No, I don't agree with that thought. Okay? Integration by U-Substitution seems quite complex. Reason: sometimes when problems are given on integration by U-Substitution, we just may not really be able to quickly identify that this is a U-Substitution problem, except if you've been drilled very well. Just like if you have followed through this adventure of 15 questions on U-Substitution that I've been putting you through, and the super shortcuts and explanations I've been given about them. Look at this question. You have to integrate this. Usually, someone sees this, you having y to be integral of that term there, x exponential x squared dx. If you've been taught integration by parts and you see this problem quickly, integration by parts will come to your mind. But hey, integration by parts does not solve this problem. If you use that, you'll fail that question. If you've been following through my guideline on U-Substitution, you'll agree with me that U-Substitution solved this question here on the board. You want to learn about how this is being solved, and where I give clear difference between how to identify that this is a U-Substitution problem, not integration by parts. Check below here, you have a related video, you can see that. Click on that and you would get a video lesson that explains this solution. Enjoy that lecture. I'll see you in question number 14 of our adventure on U-Substitution integration techniques. Bye.